Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and amazing. Today I will share that how you can make crispy potato fries at home. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start. First you have to cut the potatoes like this. Let them rest in chilled water for around half an hour. Now to make a covering batter, take a bowl. Add around 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, chicken powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients. Then add water around 2 cups. Mix it very well with the help of whisker. As you can see, the consistency of the batter should be like this, and there should be no lumps in the batter. Now for powdered mixture, take another bowl. Add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste. Mix it very well. Now we will cover up the potato sticks. First, we will dip it in the liquid batter. And then in powdered mixture, just as shown. Meanwhile, we will heat up the oil and fry our potato sticks on medium flame till crisp golden brown. Kindly check out the I button, as I have recently uploaded some recipes related to Eid al-Azha. If you guys have any query about the recipe, let me know in the comment section below, as I reply to every comment. Hope you like the recipe and enjoy the video too. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest uploads from Maryam's kitchen. Give your precious feedback in comment section. Thanks.